host Mihika, on behalf of Rotaract Club of Pune City Fortune, warmly welcome you all to our very first podcast, Ahar Samvad. Have you ever wondered if carbs are really bad? Or what a balanced diet actually means? If yes, you're definitely not alone. Nutrition can be confusing, and that's exactly why we are all here. So today, let's get clarity, break the myths, and learn from the expert. We are excited to welcome our guest Manasi Kulkarni, who will help us understand nutrition in a simple and practical way. Ms. Manasi is a highly qualified and passionate clinical nutritionist. She has completed her BSc in Food Science and Nutrition with a specialization in clinical nutrition from SNDT College of Home Science and went on to earn her MSc in Human Nutrition, specializing in clinical nutrition from the University of Glasgow. She has gained valuable hands-on experience through internship at KEM Hospital and Fitwise and is currently working as a clinical nutritionist at Jahangir Hospital. We are excited to have you with us today and share your knowledge and insight. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And honestly speaking, बहुत सारे myths होते हैं. Everything is there, so I am happy to clarify it today.
That's great. That's great. As you know कि हमारे जो participants हैं, so उनके limited time होता है cooking के लिए या busy schedules होते हैं. So इस सब में how do you suggest them to have healthy food?
So for that, a previous day is there for your meal prep. Okay, so easy preparations, not even preparations, but easy cooking methods can be introduced, such as grilling, let's say baking, which is easier, which is much more comfortably done. It may be a tossed something, it may be a sauteed something, which is a healthier way to cook as well, and even it will help you have good and nutritious food throughout the day. And of course, whenever you're traveling, even if you're commuting to your workplace also, you can carry small snacks. Okay, it might be murmura, it might be makhana. These are all things which will give you a feeling of fullness, but it will not have any impact on your health.
Yeah, that was quite informative. And since everyone must be finding this relatable, क्योंकि हर रोज इतना रश रहता है, खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं रहता. अभी इसमें you have given such easy solutions, so हम जरूर इसको implement करेंगे. So as we discussed about hectic schedule right now, अभी हर किसी को टाइम नहीं मिलता है and उन सब में जल्दी में हमारा खाना हो जाता है. So इस सब में how do you suggest कि हमारा energy level sustain कैसे हो, and with that how should we be working on our diet कि हमारा work भी productive रहे and we can give 100% to our work.
So whenever there is a busy schedule or a packed schedule कि एक के बाद एक कुछ ना कुछ चीजें हो ही रही है, so at that point basically important is to have a balanced meal, good amount of complex carbohydrates which will give you a good satiety. Satiety is basically a feeling of fullness. Okay, that will come from complex carbohydrates and good amount of fiber in your diet. Okay, so when that feeling of fullness is there, it will provide you energy for a longer duration. Whenever complex carbs are included in your diet, then since complex carbs have lower glycemic index, it gets dissolved in your blood sugar levels very slowly. Okay, and as compared to simple carbohydrates which get dissolved in your blood sugar very easily. Okay, so ये जो difference है दोनों में वो हमें देखना है. So fiber is one thing which is very important, and second is complex carbohydrates to be included. These two are the things which will give you more energy and it will be throughout the day. Okay, and even in all of this, your meals should be consistent. Because of your packed schedules, if your meal timings keep on changing, then it will of course have an effect on your health.
Agreed.
So meal timings have to be consistent in this as well.
Right. So as you were saying कि fibrous food होना चाहिए, and so like I don't know the technical terms, but आप example दे सकते हो क्या, so that we'll be implementing that accordingly.
Okay, so for complex carbohydrates, all millets can be included. Oats हो गया, दलिया हो गया, then jawari, nachni, all these things are complex carbohydrates. Okay, So these all things you can include. So whole grains, all fruits also come in complex carbohydrates as well. Not fruits per se, but yeah, fruits also give you a feeling of fullness because of the fiber in it.
Okay.
So for good amount of fiber in your diet, salads are very important. Okay. Any kind of salad. It might be in a form of raita. It might be grated. It might be anything. So salad is the one thing which has good amount of fiber.
Okay.
Fruits have good amount of fiber in it. Instead of going for a fruit juice, कि हाँ बाबा बना हुआ है, it is easily available. It shouldn't be something that you prefer to.
Right.
Okay. And one more thing to keep you energized through the through your day is basically having less amount of sugary foods in your diet. Sugary foods हो गया, simple carbohydrates हो गया. It gives you a feeling of sluggishness. अगर दोपहर में आप राइस खाते हो and then you sit on the PC, you will be so bored कि ये सामने काम क्यों है मेरे? I want to just take a blanket and just lie down. That is what you get. That is what you feel whenever you are having a very full meal, a very full lunch. So try to divide your meals, which will help you with it.
Yeah, this was such informative thing क्योंकि हर कोई रिलेट कर सकता है. ये तो होता ही है कि राइस खा लो तो हो ही जाता है कि अब तो काम हो
अभी तो नींद आ रही है. Nothing can be done.
सो अभी एज हम ये सब कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, मोस्टली वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स या इवन जो एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं अभी उनके लिए भी कि किसी किसी का लॉगिन टाइम जल्दी रहता है या उनको लिमिटेड टाइम रहता है, उसमें उनको वर्कआउट करने का मौका नहीं मिलता. तो आपके पास कोई सजेशन है या ऑल्टरनेटिव है जिसमें वी कैन रिड्यूस द वर्कआउट टाइम या कंसिडर कि है ही नहीं, एंड विद दैट आप कोई न्यूट्रिशन का सलाह या इन अ वे शॉर्टकट दे सकते हो कि हर कोई इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता है?
So in this case, of course, workout is important. Physical activity is the most important when it comes to your health. अगर physical activity body में नहीं है, then it is going to have an effect. Okay. So हम लोग कितना भी try कर ले, even if you are trying to achieve weight loss, weight maintenance, weight gain, anything, okay, any three of them. But unless and until there is exercise included in your daily routine, it will not be possible. Okay, and as I mentioned prior कि easy cooking habits use करने हैं. Grilled जिसमें oil कम use होता है, baked जिसमें आपको without oil also you can make a good preparation of good spices, you can make a good preparation of eggs, which is easier. Boiled egg खा लो, that is a better option.
Yeah.
So these all things are there, which is very easy to be prepared. So even if in long schedules, if you see, even if you are on a health journey, even if you are on a changing of your food habits per se or your lifestyle modification that you are doing, these all things are very important. But exercise is important because exercise and diet go hand in hand. एक छोड़ देते हो तो दूसरा नहीं होगा. That is it. So it is important for weight loss, weight maintenance and weight gain as well.
Okay.
Weight gain में आपका muscle gain होता है. Okay. So at that point, all these things will take into consideration also. So weight gain करना है तो exercise ही नहीं करना है. This is also not the part. So all three of them together need exercise as well. So exercise is to be included. You don't have an option for that. It might be a 30-minute walk, 30-40 minutes का walk हो जाए. It might be doing yoga, power yoga. It might be doing Zumba. It might be doing gym. It might be jogging. It might be just walking on your gym instruments. That is all. Stairs है, आप चढ़ के जा रहे हो. That is also fine. But something or the other thing is to be included in your routine basically.
सो एक्सरसाइज से किसी को छुटकारा नहीं मिलने वाला है, ऐसे न्यूट्रिशन से छुटकारा एक्सरसाइज से होगा नहीं. तो एक्सरसाइज भी करना है, न्यूट्रिशन भी करना है, ऐसे हमें मैम ने अभी बोला है. सो एज वी नो वी आर हैविंग मोस्टली आवर ऑडियंस विच इज़ फ्रॉम अ यंग एज ग्रुप. सो मैम आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे कि मेटाबॉलिज्म चेंजेस क्या होता है फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 18 to 40, उसमें हाउ डज न्यूट्रिशन अफेक्ट इट?
Okay, so when you're in your early 20s, your metabolic rate is so high that you need more amount of energy to sustain throughout the day basically. Because you're in college. आप 10 जगह पे घूमने वाले हो. Your college is going to be there. आप lectures bunk करके बाहर भी जाने वाले हो. Okay, सो दैट इज द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ इट. दैट इज वाई जो अर्ली 20s है या फिर अर्ली 30s, लेट्स से नॉट इवन 20s आई एम सेइंग. सो 18 to 25-30 का जो रेंज है उसमें हम लोगों को ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं. ओके, वंस यू स्टार्ट गोइंग फ्रॉम 30 to 40 के रेंज में, सो बेसिकली द एनर्जी दैट यू हैव बीन हैविंग थ्रू सो मच थ्रू 18 to 30 years, that is basically getting converted into your muscle. Okay, post 30s और post 40s it generally tends to happen कि आपका उतना एक्टिविटी नहीं रहता है. Okay, plus of course other things come into picture. Your personal life comes into that, your marriage, your kids, everything comes into the picture. So at that point whatever energy, आपका energy intake same रहा है, but it is not getting converted into protein. It will get converted into fats. So it will get stored in your body, which will have an effect. Okay, so खाने का इंटेक भले ही मैं इतना ही खा रही थी पहले, अभी भी इतने खा रही हूँ, but still there is a weight gain because there is a change in your body. There are some changes, hormonal changes हो गए, other things are going on in your body, so these all things will be there. Pregnancy होता है for women. If pregnancy comes into picture, weight gain is to be happening. और होने ही वाला है, and that is supposed to happen. So you can't skip that. But during that period, what all things are you consuming? Even in pregnancy, working out, walking throughout the day has a major effect कि आपका डिलीवरी कैसे होने वाला है. So that also you have to think about. So this is the basic change between the metabolism. जो basal metabolic rate we say BMR is different for both the age groups. That is why there is an effect on the metabolism.